Hello students, today we are going to give English text dictation test. So take out your English dictation book, open index page, write down serial number 8, today's date, poem 14, the world from a carriage. Now take out a new page, write down today's date, name of the poem, that is the world from a carriage. Now we'll write down serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After writing this, get ready for the dictation test. And the first word is fairies. 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 Second word is ditches. 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 Third word is battles. 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 Fourth word is driving. 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 Fifth word is stringing. 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 Sixth word is lumping. 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 Seventh word is glimpse. 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 Eighth word is sights. 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 Ninth word is painted. 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 10th word is troops. 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 After writing all the dictation words, parents are kindly requested to check the words. Put a right if the word is right and give 1 mark. Put a cross and give 0 if the word is wrong. At last, count all the marks and write marks in the index box. The answer key will be sent to you. Thank you.